My name is Hugo Ennis, and I'm a professional PC builder. What inspired me to start PC building was watching a lot of YouTube videos by Linus Tech Tips and Bitwit Kyle. A lot of my friends also encouraged me to do it. My recent build was an AMD EPYC and two 2080 Ti's. It was able to run Fortnite at 2 FPS. What I think about while I'm building computers is Joe, my good friend Joe. He used to be a really good PC builder, but he recently died in a car crash. Joe did inspire me a lot. Please don't ask who Joe is. When it comes to PC building, I am worse than The Verge because The Verge is the best PC builder in the entire world. Like, that guy, he's so good. Like, he's who we, like, try to be. Me, in my position, I'm probably second best in the world, underneath The Verge. Obviously, my friend Joe was once the first. He was so good, like, sorry. You can continue. That's all I have time for now. I'm gonna have to leave. Bye.